that death appears according to Los Angeles County official. The county medical examiner office is still investigating many of the deaths. The department that death cannot confirm human mind until it processes them at this facility. At least 15 of the deaths were in the Dayton Fair and 12 in the Parasite Fair, according to the medical examiner office. The medical examiner office said it called techniques to confirm the identities of the killing. Officials have warned that the death to could grow. Los Angeles County Fair Chief Anthony Maran said a significant number of people who did not been occasioned or there have been injuries in the Parasite Fair. He also cited there have been significant injuries in the Dayton Fair. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.